The foreigners never have the willingness to support us. They are never willing to share their technology, ideas, or know-how on how to develop our continent. And that is fine, absolutely. I know, in their minds, they think it's better so Africa doesn't develop and they can keep exploiting the resources while Africans keep coming to their countries. I understand. But here's the point. Africans will be the ones to develop Africa. No one will do it for us. I love what Aliko Dangote said. Africa will be developed by Africans. No one will do it for us. I couldn't agree more. We must be the ones to develop our own nations and continent, and that, whenever we are ready, forget about looking for help outside. Forget about those who have refused to share whatever they know. We will develop our continent to the best of our ability. Whatever we can do, we will do. And think about the time of our forefathers, before these strangers came to our land. Everything was good. They had food to eat. They had houses to live in. They built their own technology. They built their own roads. They made their own tools without looking for foreign support. They never asked for foreign aid, yet they prospered. They excelled in all that they did. In fact, Africa once had the richest man in the world. Africa also had the best technology in terms of mining, artworks, agriculture, medicine, and so on. Africa was at the frontier of development and innovation. But when we started depending on foreigners, things started falling apart. We began experiencing setbacks and recession in our economies, and corruption and criminality surged. We no longer have the capacity to think on our own. We now have to depend on foreign aid to bail us out. Even our security architecture has collapsed. We depend on foreign intelligence to help us with our own security. We practically have nothing to offer except begging and complaining. This is a continent with some of the best mines in the world. This is a continent with some of the greatest mineral resources in the world. Africa is blessed with all the great resources one could ever think of in this world. Yet, we're still crawling in development. Now, we must focus on ourselves. Enough of seeking help from the outside. Let's focus on what we can do by ourselves. If it looks outdated or primitive, that's fine. We will use whatever we have and appreciate it. We will not feel envious of other people's ideas. We will appreciate ours. It's high time we focused more on production. We can't keep importing everything into our continent. All the bad products, all the used products, all the junk products, they are dumping them on our continent. This must stop. We must focus on our own capacity alone. Whoever wants to help, let them come on their own. We are no longer begging anybody. When we do it, it restores our respect. It makes people value us and know that we are independent and can do things on our own. We are not puppets or servants who can't think on their own except through their masters. We can create the future that we want. We can mold the life that pleases us. The most important thing is our determination and willingness. Once we are ready, everything will work in our favor. Nature and the universe are in sync to support us. So, my fellow African brothers and sisters, let's wake up to this call and begin to use our potential, gifts, talents, resources, time, and energy to support our continent and all that will bring progress and development to us. One Africa, one love. Read next, Move Africa. Part 1. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds@gmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact +31 billion 685,154,335. WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sapiensofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works, L1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.